What's going on, everyone? Cole Auterman with you here today. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how do you journal in your trading journal. So mine is, just a spreadsheet online, right? In Google Sheets. You can see it right here. I have this homepage, trade logs, and then, the monthly P&L and journal. So let's start with the home, right? So what I have is my broker up here, and then I'll put the deposit amount. So let's say it's 20 grand or something. Then boom, I'll just have that as deposit. You can just say deposit right there or something, just so you know how much you started, trading with. And since we are getting towards the end of the year, you can easily switch all of this to 2024. And then, just start from there, and you'll have every single month that you can put, your P&L in, right? So, yeah, that's what I have right here, my P&L by month, and then all of this should get added, for the entire year. So, boom, it'll show your yearly gross P&L, or I guess net if you're broker like TradeStation, just takes out the commissions and all that. And then I have trading rules right here. Just have some trading rules, hold the price targets, always have a stop loss, and no hesitation, right? So that's what I have on my homepage, just, to kind of get the gist of what's going on. It's mostly P&L, but just information about, the trading business. Now, on the second sheet, I have trade logs, right? So pretty much what I'll do is, whenever I have a trade, after the trade is done, I will come in here and put in all the information, right? So, let's walk through an example trade today. So today is October 30th. So put that in, ticker. Let's say today I traded ES, buy, sell. Let's say I sold. Time entered. Let's say I entered at 9:56, right? Time exited, let's say 10:07, right? Now, again, if you really want to, you can go and put colons in here. If you really want to, I don't really care because I've just had this for so long that it's just pretty obvious, 10:44, 11:11. It's just really obvious, that this is time and all that. But if you want to, you can just put colons in. Setup type. I have my list of setups right here: morning top reversal, morning bottom reversal, extreme move, key level play, double top, and double bottom. So let's say I played a double top, right? And then let's say that I traded one E mini lot. So boom, just put one. Now, you see that I have 0.5 up here. That basically is when I trade micros. Then each, decimal point, so 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, will all be, like that. So that signifies that it's a micro and that I traded 5 micro NQ contracts on that trade. If it's a full size, larger than 1, then that'll signify that I'm trading, minis. And that's for that. Points caught or lost. Let's say I caught an easy 10 points on this trade. So boom, I'll put 10. And then, amount made or lost. Obviously, do the math. That would be $500. So you can see that I don't have anything like, super fancy on here. I don't even have, what prices I got filled at. And the reason for that is that it doesn't really matter what price you got filled at, right? If you got filled at 4,420 and sold at 4,430, it's really not going to matter if you got filled there or filled 300 points lower and just, did a 10-point trade there, right? It's not going to matter. The only stuff that matters is how much you made on that trade, right? So that's what I have for here in trade logs, just to log everything, right? And if there's multiple trades, of course, literally just copy all of that and can put that down and just edit the same thing. So you could have 2 trades on October 30th and, let's do it for that. So then I have, for the last thing, the month by month. This is technically like the real trading journal. So I have it built out, it says the month, all the days, all of that. So I put my P&L net for the day here. So let's say, 500, or let's go to today. Should be all the way at the bottom. So let's say today, obviously $500. Amount of points I caught, 10. And then I'll put, the trading journal was feeling confident, setup looked good, market was in a range and a lot of selling pressure came in on Bookmap and gave me confidence that we would trade back down, whatever, right? Just put whatever, whatever you're feeling, whatever you want to journal about that day. If it was a loss, then, everything that, basically just everything that you're feeling on that day, everything that, you can put in your trading journal that will help you look back on and that you can improve on, put all of that kind of stuff in your trading journal. Now, there's no right kind of stuff to put in your trading journal, right? Someone else would not need to put, setup looked good or feeling confident in their trading journal. I think that you should, but someone else makes money. They don't put any of that in here, right? So your trading journal should be custom to you. This is what I use. I know there is online ones. I don't really care about those too much. They're basically the exact same as this. Maybe just a little bit more stats, but it's really easy to just spot, certain stats here or on the trade logs. And yeah, guys, this is basically it. That's how you fill out my trading journal. If you do want a copy of this trading journal, then DM me either on Instagram or leave a comment, and I will set you up with this one. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys learned how to journal in a trading journal and why a trading journal is very, very important, because this is all your data, right? This is all your data. And you can go and look and see, how out of, let's say, the next 20 trades, how many were buy and sell. Out of those buy and sells, how much did you make? And you can start running stats on either another sheet or somewhere over here. And you can just get a little bit, even more in tune with your stats and start to figure, stuff out and how to tweak it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. If you guys could just like, comment, subscribe, that'd be awesome. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.